The third tab in the form editor is the Form Styling tab. The question styling section is where you can customize the aesthetics on your form. You can choose the font, size, and color scheme for the appearance of your question text. On questionnaires, proposals, and lead capture forms where there's a send button, you can replace the text that says submit with your own custom text, like let's get started. If you are wanting to customize your form colors, layout, and other visual elements further and are familiar in CSS, you can click Edit CSS and add your own custom styling to the form. Just a heads up, please note that adding custom CSS may cause your form to display or behave improperly. So make sure you are confident in what is being written into your forms, as the Dubsado team does not provide support for any CSS-related issues. Here's a tip. If you are looking for more information on adding CSS to your forms, check out our help article at the end of this lesson.